got out here today early. Still moving like a turtle though. But I did get most of the stuff, the rest of the stuff unplugged. I did cut the exhaust. I got the 4 bolts. Well, actually there was like 3 bolts in bell housing, and it was pretty easy. They were not, I didn't have any at the top, but I did have some on the side right there below that bolt, and they were actually pretty real easy to get through, especially with the gun. Just popped it in and popped them off. I got the motor mounts off now. Well, one of them, well, both of them, I just got a screw. I got to get up once I lift this motor to get the weight off. And me and my cousin about to take this roof off, take this hood off, and pull it. Hopefully it'll be good. And I put the crane on the side because for some reason I couldn't get mine in up under there, so I took the wheel off too to give me a little bit more room. But yeah, I couldn't get in, and he got his in the front, but I don't know when I tried to use mine, especially with the quarter ton setting, which is as far as it would go. it still wouldn't reach. It was like just come up to about here. So I'm gonna try to do it from the side, pull it out. I'm hoping that it don't give us any trouble. Just lift up and out, but wish for the best and prepare for the worst. So, yep. Hopefully when I cut this back on, this will be out. I'll start prepping it up to paint it. I'm gonna paint it black because I don't feel like, I'm lazy. I'm being lazy, I ain't gonna lie. It's easy, it's already got black on here. Just gonna clean it out, rinse it off, degrease it, put some black on here, fix some other stuff. But yeah, turn it back on in a minute. And hopefully when everything is done. Bye-bye to the 305. So we got that bad boy out. I did miss a bolt. But yeah, we got it out, but what comes in the grass. So my cousin's planning on trying to pull it with the Jeep. We're gonna see. Go ahead. Keep going. Hold on, stop. Whoa, that bitch about to fall. You can back up, so. Yeah, I don't know where we go from here. Yeah. Think I might have to do that.
If you pull forward just a hair.
The Jeep. I'll do the standing. You do. Okay. I don't want to mess up nothing on the Jeep.
You gonna stand on it?
Yeah, if that motherfucker tip over though, you gonna hear a nigga jump.
Oh shit. I'm listening to you.
Yeah.
That's creepy.
Don't try this at home. Nah. What we might have to do is jack it up. Damn, I don't know if we can even do that. I was gonna say we could probably jack it up and put a board up under it.
You show a motherfucking right on this side, the tire all the way in the ground.
Yep. Oh, let me see. Hey, can you go back that way?
Yeah.
Maybe. Yeah. And maybe that'll pull the. We're going to have to probably let it down and Try to get some boards or something up under it, cause
Yeah, I'm gonna stand on this side too. Jack it up on that side. Can you see where it's going in the ground at?
yeah.
So if you grab the jack, you got it out.
Yeah. Yeah, I think if you drop it down,
I'm gonna sit on the car.
yeah, it's gonna have to sit on the car for a little bit. On that, what you call it, but you gotta,
Oh, take the weight off of it or something?
yeah, take the weight and then try to see if we can get something up under that.
It's on your radiator.
Peoples.
I like
Yeah.
Well, if I tell you you're a G-Buck, yeah.
What do you mean? So my cousin kind of decided against us just rolling the engine down the plank. I was just so tired. I was like, man, this is the end of the day. I've been fighting with this engine all day. I'm just gonna either put it on Facebook Marketplace or sell it and get rid of it. I don't care. So my best plan was just to roll it down from the fender and let it, whatever happens, happens. But yeah, he kind of talked me out of it. He was like, we already got it out. We already can do it. And I mean, it came out, but man, it did ding up the fender a little bit. I don't know how I'm going to address that yet. And it's like I said, it's cosmetics. So my whole plan is to try to get the car up and running, and do all the cosmetic stuff afterwards. So yeah, we got it out today. Everything else went fine. It was tiring as hell. It did take me out for the day, but like I said, it was all good.